I'm Phil Cox. I'm one of the directors here at Heatable. I've known Andrew Reaney a long time and the work that he does for the charity, so it was a privilege to be asked to come and help the guys out here at Wokingham Food Bank. I think more than ever, the cost of living crisis, we all read about that in the headlines, but to actually come here today and see that the work they do and the families that they help, heating a home or feeding your family is a very tough decision. So anything we can do to help, we were more than pleased to do it. It's not just me, we've got Pat here, we've got Dale here, Jack and Sophie helping. Ben Mars did a fantastic job in pulling everything together. I'd also like to thank the guys there at Plumbase and Danny for supplying the equipment, for Brendan at Alpha supplying a superb boiler and helping this place run smoothly and feed thousands of families.
Hello, I'm Andrew Reaney. I'm a trustee here at Wokingham Food Bank, and I'd just like to say a big thank you to Heatable, who've come down today to install a new boiler free of charge that will make a massive difference to our ability to meet the needs of our clients here in Wokingham. It's really important that they've been able to do this for us, because it means that we can spend our money on the food parcels and the fuel vouchers that we have to give away to our clients at this really desperate time. And you can imagine the use of the food bank has gone up massively since the cost of living crisis and the increase in the cost of food and the cost of heating. So a big thank you. It makes such a difference, and we really appreciate the support that's been provided.
Hi, my name's Annette Medhurst and I'm the Project Manager at Wokingham Food Bank. We support people that live in our area who are unable to afford the costs of food and other household essentials like toiletries and cleaning products. We also run a fuel bank scheme to help people with the cost of gas and electricity. It's been really busy over the summer and we're a bit fearful for what it's going to be going into the winter. A lot of people need our support at the moment. It's been amazing to have Heatable be able to sort us out with a new boiler in the run up to Christmas, when we're going to have lots of volunteers in at a time when we're going to be really busy.